Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to teach you today to do the basic beginner's crocheting. You'll only need a couple of supplies if you've never crocheted before. What you'll need is some yarn, crochet hooks, and that's really all you need to get started. If you want to invest in a little more, you can buy a small pair of scissors. I also say it's called a darting needle or a crochet needle. It's got a large eye on it. You can pick that up in the craft section. Walmart, Joann Fabrics, Michaels all carry yarn and crochet hooks. But basically you only need any type of yarn and a crochet hook to get started. So this is just some items that you might find in the stores. I gave you some different brands to look at. This one is Red Heart with Love, and it has a metallic sheen to it. So you kind of can pick up maybe the glitter metallic sparkles in there. I hope you can. That is really pretty to make a scarf out of. We also have Vanna White's Lion brand, Vanna's Choice. A pretty red color I used in the fall. I used that last year. I want to show you some examples you can get. And this one is one of my new favorites. I'm sure it's been out for a while, but I absolutely love the change of color. This is called the Mandala, I apologize. This is called the Mandala Ombre. It changes color by itself and it's extremely soft. And I'm making my daughter a blanket with this right now. When you start crocheting, these are my hooks I own. They're various sizes, different types. Some are metal, some are plastic, and some have the wooden handle. So whatever's more comfortable for you. They have I, they have H, J, they have different letters on that. So the beginning of the alphabet, the smaller the hook. This, I believe, is an A. See how small it is? And like this one here is a J. So it just shows you different Ks. The further down the alphabet, the larger the hook. I also have my darting needle, which has a big eye on it to attach fabrics together. And then a couple of these are for marking your hook, your stitches. If you need to use a marker, it holds it in place with your counting. And then a small pair of scissors. That's all you really need to get started. You can just pick up any fabric you like that's appealing to you. When you look at the back of it, you'll see it'll tell you this particular yarn uses this particular crochet hook or knitting needles. I crochet, I don't knit. So this particular one is going to be a K. They suggest you use a K. It'll come out with the best stitches for this yarn. You can go up or down a crochet hook depending on what you're making. This one is wanting me to use a J hook. So that would be this one I would use here. But like I said, it depends on what you're making if you want to go up or down a size depending on how loose or tight you want your stitches. So that is basically all you'll need to get started. If you have any questions, please link them in the comments below. On my next video, I am going to show you how to cast on your stitches to make a chain, to do single crochets and double crochets. Those are your basic stitches that are used mostly in any pattern, but that will get you started, and then you just need to practice a lot. I hope you enjoyed this beginner crochet information tutorial, and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see.